Hello, good people. Today, we're going to make gnomi, a crispy and flavorful snack that's perfect for any occasion. That's one of the favorite street foods in Abidjan, Ivory Coast. Also, it serves as a nourishing meal for our Muslim brothers and sisters to break their fast during Ramadan each evening. For ingredients, we will need 2 cups of millet, 1 cup of rice, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk powder. First things first, soak the millet and rice overnight, or for 12 hours. Patience is key. After the soaking marathon, boil the rice with 500 milliliters of water. Once it's cooked, let it cool down. While the rice cools, blend the millet until it's smooth and ready to party. Now, let's mix the blended millet with the cooled rice to create a beautiful batter. Cover it and let it rise for 5 hours. There are no shortcuts here, but feel free to add yeast or baking powder if you're in a hurry. I'm all about that slow rise life. Our batter has risen. Time to sweeten the deal. Add the vanilla sugar and regular sugar. Mix it well. And now, the moment we've been waiting for. Heat up some oil in a mini pancake maker pan. Grab your pancake batter dispenser. It's our secret weapon. Fill it with our gnomi batter. Pour a small amount into the mini holes. Remember, medium heat to avoid burning the snacks. Cook each side for 2 minutes. Flip, flip, flip. And voila! Behold, our golden crispy gnomi is ready. To enhance the flavor, sprinkle some milk powder on top. It's like a flavor fairy dust. Bon appétit, my friends. Dive into your homemade gnomi and savor the deliciousness. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep sharing the love.